Okay, let's start.
Video na po.
Let's start.
Ay, naka-video naman si Papa. Sabi mo sa'yo naka-video. Bakit sa akin naka-video?
Sa akin yan.
Hindi, hindi.
Sa tiyan yan natin. Oh, kaya buta ko sa nila. Tama yung tiyan ko. Complete the sentences with the adjectives.
Wala, tapos na tayo nakabasa dito.
Parang hindi ka man nagsabi. Balik-balik. Complete the sentences with the adjective pairs from the word box. Oh, wala pa ka-answer.
The dog.
Dog.
The dark.
Dark.
Long, skinny, cute, freckled, bright sun. Yan, isa na dark. No.
No. Wrong mong cute mo. Cute.
Dito, the cute child. The cute. Dito.
Hindi ko alam. Answer ka dyan. Mag-ilis naman ako.
Sige, cute. Child. This picture. The dark. Mali. Dark sky. The dark really sky makes everyone feel happy. Baliktad!
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, naku. The long skinny sky makes everyone feel happy. Erin, dapat na si Papa. Sabi ko na ba?
Tama na pala yung skinny. Long skinny sa snake.
The long
Sulat na, dalawang skinny.
skinny sky makes everyone feel happy.
No. Answer ka na dyan? Answer dyan? Wala lagi pumasok ka. Wala lagi pumasok ng airplane. Kaya pumasok ng airplane, ha?
The dark. Dalong. Yun na. Dalong baka mo ni Aray.
Nakalimutan ko.
Dalong.
Niya pa ma.
Places under a rock. The
Ay, Mara?
bright
Kanya yan, hindi yan. Magkaya ka sa atin.
sun is sky makes everyone feel happy. Lori. Dark. Hair blows in the breeze.
Yeah.
The girl has a fickle girl face.
The girl na galing. Pickle girl phrase ka ba? Hanapin mo dyan, oh. YOLO. There.
Many freckles.
Yan, perfect.
Many freckles face.
Sige,
Erase mo. Wala akong eraser.
ikaw na mag-erase.
Ang erase ko.
Doon, no. Erase ka makupo. Yan, perfect. Sige, kain.
sa papel.
Sulat. Mana?
Ano kain?
Complete the sentences with the words from the word box.
This red berry tastes great. The magic candy, the magic trick. Is this fruit punch enough to eat?
Next.
No. The one-eyed master wondered.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. She sits outside on the porch in the hot weather.
Dalawang porch. Hindi ko lang kung saan totoo.
Ang totoong porch, ito. He sits out on the porch
Next.
in the hot weather. Ha? It is this fruit ripe enough to eat?
Question niyan.
Ripe!
Is this fruit right enough to eat? Ganon.
Ripe to eat.
Basa.
Dito na ako. Tapos ako dito. Dito na ako. No. Swimming in the summer felt really strange. Baliktad!
Hindi ko alam.
Di ba? Mali kaya. Pero baliktad gani yun.
Basta wrong yun. Mag-guess lang. Mali.
Swimming in the summer felt really good. The one-eyed monster looked strange. Nag-aabot ba yun sa akin?
Sa akin ano po.
Nag-aabot sa akin.
Malapit kasi nagturo kasi ako yun. Gusto niyo mawala ako magturo.
Opo.
Basa.
What was that strange? Grandma is standing on the strange noise.
Ano to?
Noise!
Again.
What was that strange noise? Grandma is standing on the porch. This spotted banana is very ripe. Anong ripe?
Hinog. Very right. Huwag ganyan. Makita ang shell.
Di gani?
Daw. Hindi na.
Na! Bato!
Sige.
Tusukin kita kung ano ka pa.
Number 4.
Watch me do this magic trick. Miss Levis cookies have a wonderful smell. Joanne eats lots of berries. Joanne eats lots of berries with her cereal.
Read the sample, then complete the sentences with adjectives from the brackets.
This dog is dirty, that pig is dirty than this dog. My dad is pretty funny, but my dad is funnier. It is hot and dry in the desert. It is dry in the desert.
Drier.
Drier than in the jungle. I thought the outfit that Uncle made
Mouth.
Mendoza was ugly, but this year's outfit is uglier. Here is the food.
Kasi mali.
Dirty.
Complete the sentences to match Complete the sentences to mean more than.
Papa, pagtapos ko dito, mag-laptop ako.
Sige na, tapusin mo muna. Ayaw ka mag-laptop.
On Sunday, he plans to get up even earlier to watch cartoons. He was even happier when he saw it was for his best friend.
Basahin mo muna ang nauna.
Sige. That Chihuahua is tiny. Do you know of a dog that is doggier than a Chihuahua?
Tinier. Hindi doglier.
Maka tiny. Baka dito tiny.
Oh.
Sobrang tiny.
Alam mo na yan. I-change mo yung Y to I and add ER.
Tiny.
Wala na Y.
Tiny.
Wala na Y. Ano ba there? Oy, doon. Brian.
Papa, sobra ba talaga?
Okay. Next, dryer early.
Pagtapon ko, muna ako.
Tapusin mo muna.
Okay. Dry earlier. Ito ang kanain. Why?
So dito, may mga Y, mali yan. Wala na Y. Gising na.
Nigising mo. Nigising mo kasi.
Inikit natin. Wala ka mo, Brian.
Asa?
Ito.
Ikaw yung nagising, di ako
Okay.
nagising. Pag-iris mo, gilisi mo.
Akito. Ito lang. Ay! Ito, mag-guys na ako.
Nagkain na
Meron pa. Balik.
Ano yan? Up even earlier to watch cartoons. Walang ano, L.
Wala lang away.
Ito,
Meron yan. Yung dirty mo, bakit gano'n na? Wala na Y.
dirty.
Walang I. Dirty lang yan.
Why lang daan?
Read. Complete the story with the words from the box.
An old woman was sitting in a strange chair on the clearing. She looked at the dead boy and offered him something to eat. The old woman disappeared into the house. When she came out again, she was rocking a funny little pot. The old woman handed the boy Porch little pot.
Sitting in a...
Sitting in a
Wrong.
bucket.
Carrying, sitting in the chair on the... Wrong. She looked at the thin boy and offered him something to eat. The old woman disappeared into the house. When she came out again, she was...
Rocking a little.
Rocking is wrong. She was... Then, the old woman handed the boy the...
Hindi ko ton. Ay, baliktad mo.
1, 2, 3, 4. Apat yan. Maghanap pa sa baliktad. Sino mo na doon? The old woman was sitting on a blank. Saan siya nag-sitting? On a blank chair. Ano kasing chair? On the blank. Saan nakalagay ang chair? She looked at the tin boy and offered him something to eat. The old woman disappeared into the house. When she came out, she was, dala niya, a funny little pot. The old woman handed the boy the blank little pot.
Ano blank?
Blank.
Sabi mo blank.
Blank. You answered na. Okay. An old woman was sitting in carrying chair on the strange. Carrying chair on the strange. Tama, mali?
Tama.
Tama. And
No. In a Tapos na.
on a rocking chair on the porch. Very good. Next, she looked at the thin boy and offered him something to eat. The old woman disappeared into the house. When she came out, she was blank. She was strange upon a little pot. The old woman handed the boy the carrying little pot. Basawin ko yan. Re. Continue reading the story, then answer the question.
Ato ka mang reading ito.
Hmm.
My child, this is a magic pot. Say the old woman, just say to the pot, little pot, bubbly pot, boil the pot will crackle and shake. Then it will make the most delicious porridge you have ever tasted. After you have had enough to eat, just say little pots, bubbly pot, stop and thank you. The pot will stop cooking. What kind of pot is it? It is a magic pot. What kind of porridge will the pot make? A pot will make the most delicious porridge you have ever tasted.
Complete the story with the words from the word
Dito
box.
ako na kayo nahihirapan.
Sige daw, tingnan natin.
The little boy thanked the woman, then he ran home to show his mother the wonderful magic pot.
Next.
That evening, the little boy repeated the magic words he had been taught.
Next.
Next. The little bubbly pot boiled. After the pot crackled and shook, delicious porridge appeared. They ate until they were full. Then the little boy said, "Little Pat, baby, Pat, stop and thank you." Next. Yay!
Continue reading the story and then answer the questions.
Every day,
Every day they ate.
they ate all the delicious porridge they wanted. They shared the porridge with their neighbors. Life was good. Porridge with their neighbors. Life was good for them until a greedy neighbor peeked into the window. Just as they was repeating the magic word,
Just as the boy.
I must up that pot. He said one day while the boy and his mother were out, the neighbor stole the pot.
Ninakaw ang pot stole. Next.
Sinong nakaw?
The neighbor.
Sino neighbor?
Silingan.
What was life like for the boy, his mother, and their neighbors? Life was good for them. What
Good for
them
ano yan? NM.
and
Ano lagay mo?
H, them,
Ano ang spelling ng them?
D-H-E-N. Ay, T-H-E-N. Them. Ay, T-H-E-M.
Ano lagay mo?
And then,
Ano dapat?
M.
Next.
What kind of the neighbor peeked into the window? A greedy neighbor peeked into the window. Bautot.
Complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. Then to match the story. Complete the sentences to match the story.
He repeated the words little pot, badly, pot, boiled, delicious, porridge. Appeared her ate until he could not eat other bite, but
Another
another
bite.
but he could get the pot to stop it. Boiled over each side and onto the floor. The porridge spilled on the front door and into the street. People ran out of their homes with spoons and bowls soon. However, the porridge made such a terrible mess that they began to worry. It boiled over its pot and onto the step.
It's boiled.
It's boiled and it's boiled.
It boiled over it.
It's sides.
Lagay mo.
Sides and onto the floor. Wala man na erase. The porridge. Saan ka pumunta, ma? The porridge. The porridge appeared out the pot door and into the
Basahin mo. You read.
Ano naman to siya, oh?
Mali ang lahat.
Pencil! No. Tapos na. Ito na.
Tapos na. The porridge made out of ano to?
Mesh.
Made out of mesh door and into the
Body.
worry. Very good.
Very good, wrong.
You read again.
Sumadun ka naman ulit.
You read.
Bitter the poor little bubbly pot ball delicious for it after he ate until he could not eat another bit, but he could get the pot to stop it burned over its side and onto the floor. The forest spied out the front door and into the street.
Ikaw pala.
Into the
Street.
Di nga ako white.
Continue reading the story. Write the missing section and using all the words from the brackets below. Then answer the question.
When the boy and his mother returned, the boy said, "Nicely, little pot, bubbly pot, stop and thank you." The magic pot stopped cooking. The greedy neighbor realized that he should not have taken what did not belong to him. The villagers all helped clean up. The little boy and his mother went back home and shared their porridge with everyone for the rest of their days. What did the greedy neighbor do? He realized that she not have taken what did not belong to him.
Love you, Art. Baba na!
Continue. Read the story and circle the time taken. Continue. Nagpalaban ka? Continue. Read the story and circle the time taken. Bakit ka nag-iyak?
Dalawa na.
Dahil marami nakatambay, hindi ka nagtrabaho kayo ng umaga? Nagtrabaho ka kayo ng umaga? Sige.
Mike is the last bite of his fish sandwich and wrapped his brown paper lunch bag into a ball. He tossed it on the lunch table on the playground with his friend. The email second plan. He could hardly wait.
Read the story and circle the time taken.
No. The girl was looking at the clock. 2:10.
2.
There. Minutes until the bell rings. Suddenly.
Shade.
Suddenly. Huwag ka ba magsabi? No. Say, Daniel, let's